गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन।
दोस्तों नमस्ते एंड वेलकम बैक टू न्यू व्लॉग। तो दोस्तों हो गए फ्री ब्रेकफास्ट करके, अब जा रहे हैं बाहर पार्क में। तो आरवी को थोड़ा सा अभी भी कोल्ड है, तो बाहर जाके थोड़ा सा घूम के और आते हैं वापस घर। तो फिर मिलते हैं आपको सीधा पार्क। सो हाय एवरीवन, नमस्ते एंड वेलकम बैक टू न्यू व्लॉग। सो गाइस दिस video we are starting from park. So this is the intro video. So my name is Aarti Rawat and she is my daughter Arvi, and we have a new challenge that will be in English for next 30 days.
Are you sure?
So guys, what happened while I was coming to the park, I had an idea that why not to start a new challenge in English, and I was laughing about it, but then I said no problem, we can start it. Because here in Abu Dhabi we are out of country and there's no one to talk, so we can at least have a challenge and talk to the YouTube family. And guys, just forget our pauses and mistakes, that is okay, but still we will be having this challenge for next 30 days in English only. So this will be a fun. And what happened, because I am not talking here because in Abu Dhabi there are so many people who speak Hindi only, so because of that we are not having conversation in English. So I thought of working on myself also and starting this new challenge in English. So this will be the fun for you also. So let's join or let's be with us. So guys, we have completed one round of this park. And my daughter is not feeling well, so I'm taking her like this. And then now we will do some exercise, and then we'll have a sunbathe. मतलब धूप सेकेंगे तो sunbathe ही बोलते हैं शायद उसको. And then we'll go to home because I have to cook food also. My English will not be that good. Obviously I'm from Hindi medium, so don't expect from me to speak like fluent, but yes, we'll try to be confident. And now let's start exercising. We have already taken one round. Ivy is not feeling well, so I have to carry her on my shoulder. Now we'll just sit, take rest, and then we'll start exercising, and then again we'll go home. So now Ari wants to see cats because there are so many cats in this park and few of them are very friendly. So I don't know where are they now. So they may be sleeping now, baby. They are not here. So now guys, we have completed our task of the day. Now yes, Ari is confused but I'm talking. Now we are going home. See you later. Bye bye. Are you liking it? So guys, we have a sweet melon today, and Arvi is liking it. Have it. How's it? Good. Okay. So you might be confused, no? What happened with Mama? Why Mama is talking in different language? This is our challenge. This is our new challenge. We have to speak in English for 1 month. Okay. Hope you understand. Yes. Well, Mama, teach me Hindi first. Okay, do it. So while Arvi is busy with laundry, I'll cook food. Okay, so guys, our lunch is ready. Khichdi, green vegetable and salad. So we'll have it and see you later. So hello guys, we are going out to see the doctor for Arvi. Actually she is okay, but she's continuously coughing since afternoon, and because of that she could not sleep. So at least they can give nebulizer to her, and so then there will be some relief so that she can sleep in the night, no? So that's why we are going. It's already afternoon, so let's see and see you in the hospital. Okay, bye bye. So okay guys, we will see you. What happened with my hair? So guys, we have reached the hospital and now we are going to the So guys, we have met doctor. Now we are waiting for the nebulizer. So hello guys, we are back from hospital and now I have boiled some egg and corn. So we will have it and then later we will make dinner. So guys, our dinner is ready. We have made the chapati and peas and potatoes curry. So this one my husband made it because Arvi was just sitting with me. She was not leaving me. So that's why, and a big thanks to my husband. So now we'll have our dinner and see you later. Okay guys, good night. So we are ending today's vlog here and we'll meet you in next vlog soon tomorrow. So bye bye, see you and take care. And please, if you like this vlog, like and leave your comment. If you don't like, if you have any suggestion, just leave your comment please. And thank you so much. Bye bye. And Arvi, I don't know what Arvi is doing. I think Arvi also playing. So good night.